The Parah Adumah is an enigma, a mystery. It is the paradigmatic chok, a decree or statute that is beyond our comprehension. The Midrash famously records that even Shlomo HaMelech, the wisest of men, struggled to understand the meaning of this mitzvah and admitted that it was far beyond him. And yet Chazal and the Meforshim suggest different interpretations and explanations for the Parah Adumah. But what lesson can we as individuals and as communities draw from this enigmatic passage? I think one lesson, articulated by the halacha itself, is that when approaching challenging or complicated questions, whether questions of halacha, questions of public policy, chinuch, or even questions about day-to-day life, we have to appreciate nuance and context. The Parah Adumah, of course, has to be Adumah Tamima, completely red. Even just 2 hairs of another color disqualify the cow. But how do we make such a determination? The Mishnah states that according to the Chachamim, Hakol holech achar ha'ikar. We go by the root. If the root of the hair is red, even with a black or white tip, the tip can be trimmed and the cow is kosher as a Parah Adumah. But if the root is black or white, even if at its end the hair appears to be red, the cow is invalid. Because to truly understand something requires one to look at the root, the source, to appreciate the depth, the nuance, the context. This halach is reminiscent of the Mishnah in the Gaim, which teaches that a Kohen who is blind, even in one eye, may not diagnose a nega tzaras, because to distinguish between pure and impure requires that depth perception. In life, we often suffer from myopia. We have tunnel vision. We don't always see the forest for the trees. It's true for us as individuals and as communities. We react, we make decisions without ruminating on them sufficiently, without enough deliberation or care or thought. But the Parah Adumah instructs us to go down to the root, to examine, to explore the depths and be deliberate, even struggling or grappling with a question. This mysterious mitzvah teaches to appreciate nuance and context. Shabbat Shalom from Yerushalayim.